Hey guys, today let's break down one simple question. Are Chinese MOSFET suppliers actually worth choosing? Short answer, yes. But let's move fast and understand why. First, China is no longer just a manufacturing base. It now covers the entire MOSFET supply chain, from design and wafer processing to packaging and mass production. That means better control, faster delivery, and more competitive pricing. Now let's talk performance. A few years ago, Chinese MOSFETs were seen as low-end alternatives. But today, especially in low and mid-voltage applications, the gap with international brands has narrowed significantly. We're talking about real use cases like fast chargers, power adapters, consumer electronics, battery systems, and in these segments, Chinese MOSFETs can be 20% to 50% cheaper, which is huge if you're scaling production. So what types are we dealing with? Very simple first, by structure. You've got N-channel MOSFETs, which dominate most applications like switching and power control. Then, P-channel MOSFETs, usually used for high-side switching and battery protection. Second, by voltage, low voltage, typically under 30 V, used in chargers and portable devices. High voltage, from 60 V to 600 V and above, used in industrial systems, power supplies, and energy storage. So if you're in consumer electronics, you care about low voltage. If you're in industrial or energy, high voltage is key. Now here's why buyers are shifting to Chinese suppliers. 3 main reasons: cost, lead time, flexibility. MOQ is usually low, sometimes just a few thousand units. Lead time, often 1 to 3 weeks for standard models. And the biggest advantage, customization. Many suppliers can adjust. Voltage ratings, ARDS-on. Package types, even private labeling with your own brand. This is a big deal if you want product differentiation. But, and this is important, not all suppliers are equal. When sourcing MOSFETs, always check on resistance, RDs on, switching speed batch consistency, long-term reliability. Top manufacturers already run full quality systems, including in-process inspection and reliability testing. So here's a practical tip. Don't choose a supplier based on price alone. Instead, start with samples. Test under real conditions, then build a long-term partnership, because in the end, what really matters is not just the component, but the stability of your supply chain. So to wrap it up, Chinese MOSFET suppliers are no longer just a budget option. They're becoming serious long-term partners for global projects.